The best manufacturing software for small businesses includes several top contenders, each with its own unique features and benefits. One option is a cloud-based software that specializes in inventory management, providing real-time data on production, scheduling, and order fulfillment through a user-friendly platform. This software integrates seamlessly with various systems, including QuickBooks, Shopify, and HubSpot, and offers a range of pricing options from $179 to $1,799 per month. Another option is a manufacturing edition software that has been tailored specifically for manufacturers, featuring advanced inventory management, job costing, and work order management, with an annual pricing plan ranging from $1,922 to $4,668 per year. A third option is a manufacturing software that excels in manufacturing resource planning, boasting a robust inventory management system that tracks inventory, bill of materials, and work order processing, with pricing options that vary depending on the number of users. After considering these options, the top pick is the Manufacturing Edition software due to its effective and efficient integrated manufacturing and accounting capabilities. It's worth noting that prices are subject to change, and it's essential to verify current rates. Ultimately, the right software for a small business will depend on its specific needs and requirements.